Hello everyone, welcome back to our educational channel Clear My Doubt, Never Stop Learning. In this video we will discuss about SSLC Karnataka State Level Preparatory Exam question paper, that is science question paper of the year 2022. So without wasting much time, let us begin the video. In this video we will display only answers on the screen and I will read out the questions along with that. Okay, the first main three question will be multiple choice questions, that is MCQs, and in that first question is the material used in the filament of an electric bulb is. This part will be for physics part and the answer will be option C, tungsten. Second question, in Fleming's right hand rule, the forefinger indicates the direction of. The option B, magnetic field, is the answer. Question number 3, the power of a lens with 1 meter focal length is. Option A, 1 diopter, is the answer. Second main, answer the following questions, that is one sentence or one word questions. Question number 4 is, which mirror is used as a rear view mirror in the vehicle? Answer is option 4, convex mirror. Question number 5, mention the nature of image formed when the magnification of the image of an object formed by a spherical mirror has negative value. Here the image formed will be real and inverted. Question number 6, that is third main, answer the following questions, 2 mark questions. Question number 6 is, an electric refrigerator rated 500 watt operates 8 hours a day. What is the cost of the energy to operate it for 30 days at rupees 5 per kilowatt hour? Here power is given as 500 watt and time is 8 hours. That means it will run up to 8 hours. So total energy consumed by the refrigerator in 30 days. We have to find out this one. So that will become the answer will be 500 into 8 into 30, that is 30 days. That will become 120 kilowatt hour. Thus the cost of energy to operate the refrigerator for 30 days. 5 rupees per kilowatt hour is given in the question itself. So 120 kilowatt hour into multiplies 5, that will cost 600 rupees. And question number 7 is, draw the diagram of a simple electric motor and label the brushes. So this is the simple electric motor diagram in which parts are also shown, and these here X and Y are brushes. Only this part is asked, but it will be better to learn all the parts. Okay. Question number 8, state the laws of reflection of light. First law, the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, and the second law is the incident ray, the normal ray or normal to the mirror at the point of incidence, and reflected ray all lie in the same plane. Let us move to the question number 9. Question number 9, that is fourth main, answer the following question, that is 3 mark questions. In that question number 9 is, mention the function of the following devices. First one is electric fuse, second one is galvanometer, third one is electric generator. Electric fuse, it protects circuits and appliances by stopping the flow of any unduly high electric current. Galvanometer, it is used to detect the presence of current in the circuit. Electric generator, it converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Here one optional question is given, whether you can answer for this question or another question is given. In that option A is option A question, list the properties of magnetic field lines, and Question number B is, what is a solenoid? Answer for the option 1, that is option A. In ninth question, option A, field lines arise from north pole and end into south pole of the magnet. Field lines are closed curves. Field lines are closer in stronger magnetic field. Field lines are never intersecting each other. Question option B, a coil of many circular turns of insulated copper wire wrapped closely in the shape of a cylinder is called solenoid. So friends, if this video is helpful for you, then like it and share it with your friends. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel Clear My Doubt and never stop learning, and click on the bell icon to get notified about this kind of useful videos. Question number 10 is asked about one diagram, ray diagram. Draw the ray diagram of image formed when the object is kept between f1 and 2f1 of the convex lens. With the help of the diagram, mention the position and nature of the image formed. Here, the position of image formed between f1 and 2f1, and the nature of the image will be real and inverted. Okay, I hope you have already learned this diagram. Okay, so next question, question number 11. What is biomass? What are the advantages of using the biogas? Answer is, biomass, cow dung, various plant materials like the residue after harvesting the crops, vegetable waste and sewage are decomposed in the absence of oxygen to give biogas. Advantages of biogas. Biogas is an excellent fuel as it contains up to 75% methane. It burns without smoke, leaves no residue like ash in wood, charcoal and coal burning. The slurry left behind is removed periodically and used as excellent manure. This is one of the renewable sources of energy. Next, fifth main, answer the following questions. That is 4 mark questions. Okay. Question number 12. In that, question number A, state Ohm's law. Mention the factors on which the resistance of a conductor depends. Question number B, in 12 question number B, the potential difference between the terminals of an electric heater is 60 volt. Here problem is given. When it draws a current of 4 amp from the source, what current will be heater draw if the potential difference is increased to 120 volt? In that, question number 12, option A question, potential difference across the ends of a metallic conductor is directly proportional to current passing through the circuit provided that temperature remains same. Factors on which the resistance of a conductor depends are directly proportional to the length of the conductor. Resistance of a uniform metallic conductor is directly proportional to the length of the conductor, inversely proportional to area of cross section, depend on nature of material. Here question number B, answer for the question number B is, volt is given as 60 volt, V, that is V, and I is given as 4 amps, and we have R is equals to V by I, that becomes 60 by 4, and which results in 15 ohms. When the potential difference increases to 120 volt, current will be equals to V by R, that will be equals to 120 by 5, that is 8 ohm. Therefore the current through the heater becomes 8 amps. Or another question is given as optional, whether you have to answer this one, or another question is, there are again question number A and question number B will be there. Question number A is state Joule's law of heating, and question number B is, an electric bulb is connected to a 220 volt generator. The current is 2 amps. Find the power and resistance of the bulb. So, wait a second. Okay, question number A. Joule's law, statement of Joule's law is, it states that the heat produced in a resistor is directly proportional to square of current, directly proportional to resistance for a given current, and directly proportional to time for which current flows through the conductor. H is equal to 12 RT. Okay, question number B is, in which volt, that is V, is given as 220 volt and current, that is I, is equals to 2 amps. Then we have to find out the power. Power is given as V into I, that will be equal to 220 into 2, that becomes 440 watt. Here SI unit of power is watt, hence it will be 440 watt, that is W. Resistance is given by V by I, that becomes 220 volt divided by 2 amp, that will be equals to 110 ohms. So next question, 13th question. Find the focal length of a convex mirror that has a radius of curvature 32 centimeter. This is question number A. 13th question, in which question number A. So we have to find out focal length of a convex mirror. Focal length is given by F is equals to R by 2, where R is given as 32 centimeter. So it becomes 16 centimeter. Question number 13B. An object 4 centimeter in height is placed at 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Write the nature of the image formed. See, object size is height, that is H is equals to plus 4.0 centimeter, which is given in a question itself. Object distance, that is U, is equal to 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Okay, that will become equal to minus 25.0 centimeter. Focal length F is given as 15 centimeter, that becomes minus 15.0 centimeter. Image distance we have to find out V, and image height, that is image size, H will be find out. So we have 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. So we can get it as 1 by V is equals to 1 by F minus 1 by U. That becomes, we have focal length, that is F, as minus 15 and U as minus 25, right? So after substituting this value, we will get V will be equal to 37.5 centimeter. The screen should be placed at 37.5 centimeter in front of the mirror and the image will be real. Magnification. Another question is asked here. We have to find out magnification, that is equals to H dash by H, that will be equal to minus V by U. So H dash will be equal to VH divided by U, that will be equal to minus 6 centimeter. Here the image is inverted and enlarged. Okay, so this is the physics part. Now we will move to the chemistry part also. In chemistry part also, again 3 questions are asked for multiple multiple choice questions, that is MCQ questions. Okay, so the first question, that is 14th question, the acid present in the lemon is option C citric acid, ZNO plus C. There is a chemical equation is given. The substance that undergoes reduction in this chemical reaction is, that will be equal to option B ZNO. And question number 16th, the elements sodium, magnesium, aluminum and silicon are placed in the same period in the modern periodic table having the atomic number 11, 12, 13 and 14 respectively. The element that has the smallest atomic size is, which is the element that has smallest atomic size? Answer is option D silicon. Next, question number 17, that is 7th main. And question number 17, what is catenation? Catenation, it is the ability to form bonds with other atoms of carbon. Question number 18, what are exothermic reactions? The reactions which are involved in the evolution of heat are called exothermic reactions. Question number 19, aluminum oxide is called an atmospheric oxide. Why? Aluminum oxides react with both acids as well as bases to produce salts and water. Question number 20, that is 8th main. Here we have 3 questions of 2 marks. Question number 20, list any 2 uses of bleaching powder and baking soda, or there is another question given optional. How is tooth decay caused in humans? How can it be prevented? Okay. Question number 20, that is first option is uses of bleaching powder. Calcium oxychloride, that is bleaching powder, used as an oxidizing agent in chemical industries, used for disinfection of drinking water, used for bleaching of washed clothes in the laundry. Sodium hydrogen carbonate as baking soda, it is used for making baking powder, it is used as antacid, and it is used in soda acid fire extinguishers. Or we have another question, that is optional question. Tooth decay starts when the pH of the mouth is lower than 5.5. Bacteria present in the mouth produce acids by degradation of sugar and food particles remaining in the mouth after eating. The best way to prevent this is to clean the mouth after eating food using toothpastes. Question number 21. Write any 4 physical properties of metals. So dear students, if you feel this video as useful for you, then like it and share it with your friends. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel Clear My Doubt and click on bell icon and select all notification. So question number 21st, metals have shining surface. They are generally hard, they are malleable and ductile, they are sonorous. Again another optional question is given, list any 4 general properties of ionic compounds. Physical nature, answer physical nature, they are solid and hard, generally brittle. Melting and boiling point, they have high melting and boiling point. Generally soluble in water and insoluble in solvents such as kerosene, petrol, etc. Ionic compounds conduct electricity in molten and solution form but not in solid state. Question number 22nd, there is one diagram is asked. Draw the diagram to show the arrangement of apparatus used for testing the conductivity of a salt solution and label graphite rod. I hope you have already learned this diagram. If you have not yet learned this diagram, then it will be better to learn all the diagrams in science. Question number 23. Answer the following questions. That is 3-mark questions. In question number 23, write the balanced chemical equations for the following chemical reactions. In that, optional question A, iron sulfate, heat iron oxide plus sulfur dioxide and plus sulfur trioxide. There are some chemical equations are given here. If it is possible, we will display those equations, or in the description box we will display it. You can see the question there, and also we will provide PDF file link if it is possible. You can download the PDF of question paper. Okay, we have another optional question. Write the balanced chemical equation for the following chemical reactions. In that, question number option A, hydrogen gas reacts with chlorine gas to form hydrogen chloride. Here H2 in bracket G plus C12 in bracket Q will be equal to 2HCl in bracket G. And optional question B, potassium metal reacts with water to produce potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. We have to write the chemical equation as already displayed in screen. Okay, let us move to the next part, that is question number 24. Again, one diagram is asked. I hope this diagram you have already learnt. Draw the diagram of the arrangement of apparatus to show the reaction of zinc granules with dilute sulfuric acid and testing the hydrogen gas by burning later following parts. Label the following parts. Parts are asked as zinc granules and delivery tube. I hope you have already learned this diagram. Okay, next question number 25th. State Mendeleev's periodic law. Write any two limitations of Mendeleev's periodic table. Question number 25th answer is the properties of the elements are a periodic function of their atomic mass. Certainly no fixed position can be given to hydrogen in the periodic table. Isotopes of all elements posed a challenge to Mendeleev's periodic law. The atomic masses do not increase in a regular manner in going from one element to the next. And the last question of the chemistry part is question number 26. So write the molecular formula and structural arrangement of the following compounds. Question number in that option A is ethane, methane, benzene and propanol. Here all the molecular formula or structural arrangement is displayed on your screen. You can see this. I hope this video will be helpful for you. In the next video we will see the part of biology question and answers. So if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.